chose for two reasons. One, I didn't want a name that was very aggressive, like the Master and Spike and so forth. I thought that was ridiculous. I wanted to prove that my robot was tough in the arena as opposed to by its name. And so, keeping that in mind, I was at the beach with a couple of friends, and two questions came up at once. One being, what would we like to eat for lunch? And the second is, what am I going to name my robot? And the answer kind of fused in my mind, and I decided that the Fishstick was going to be a good name. Not aggressive, interesting to hear. And I added Guam kind of on a whim. I really have no reasons for Guam, but I guess all my life I've loved saying Guam. Especially because people from Guam are Guamanese, and that's kind of it.
Okay, and this is its weapons, these little pulverizing things?
Yeah, those are the mallets, the spinning mallets. They go at about an average speed of 180 miles an hour, and I'm sorry, 180 RPM. And they've got a force that's greater than 25 pounds, so hopefully they'll be able to do damage.
And how's he powered?
He's powered by 2 Makita batteries and 2 lead-acid batteries, which give me 12 volts.
And what are his drivetrain?
I have no idea. The drivetrains I got at a store. A lot of this robot, it's very different from the original design. It looks different. It was originally an octagon, and as I found parts, I kind of found ways to incorporate them into the design, making changes along the way. So I really don't know what those motors were originally used for. I got them at some little shop. But they do the job. They get me going at around 5 miles an hour. And that's it. Oh.
What kind of speed controllers is he using?
I'm using Airtronic speed controllers, who are also my sponsors. They didn't quite do the job, so I actually had to go into them and modify the electronics a little bit, which was challenging, but I finally figured that out a few days ago. And that's it. And then they started working, and now I can actually move it. And it's...
What on here is Berg?
Berg Electronics. Berg parts are these gears and the shaft. And the key to this arm are these universal joints. And Berg did a really great job making them. They work really well, and they're strong. And so what Berg created was my spinner. And it's really the key to my robot, as you can see. And so that's why I use them, because they make great parts.
Okay. Thank you very much.